Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at how to write a percentage as a fraction. We are going to be doing simple ones. We're not actually going to be going into like complex ones, but when I say complex, we'll later on look at like some more like trickier percentages, but simple ones. Let's do simple ones. So anytime you start with a percentage as a fraction, right? Like let's say you put 50% here. This as a fraction can straight away be written as 50 over 100. Likewise, if I have 25%, I can straight away write this as 25 over 100. Let's say we get something like 8%. 8% can be written in a fraction as 8 over 100. Now, the key thing is this. We know that these numbers not are like with these fractions could actually be simplified further. Um, and so what we do need again is going back to our times tables and going, look how much you remember your times tables. But 50 over 100, we kind of did this in the previous video. We know that this is the same thing as saying a half. 25 over 100, we know that this is going to be a quarter. But let's actually go to 8 over 100. Now with 8 over 100, we need to actually do kind of like play around with it first. Like I know that I can divide both of these numbers by 2, so I'm going to do that first. And when I do that, 8 divided by 2 is actually equal to 4. And then I've got 4, going to put this like this, and then I've got 100 divided by 2 is actually equal to 50. Now the problem again is I've still got two even numbers, which means I can still do another 2. I can divide by a further 2, both of these numbers, which means I'm going to get 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25. So this is kind of like that equivalent fraction. But anyway, anytime you see percentages of fractions, the first step you really want to be doing is writing that over 100. So if I have 81%, I write that as 81 over 100. Pretty straightforward for now, but later on we'll look at a little bit more complex little percentages that come through with decimals and so on. But that's basically it for this really short video, guys. Yeah, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.